Well, organic and locally grown are terms that we hear a lot at the local farmer's market or the grocery store. But what exactly do they mean, and are they any better for the environment? We'll take a look in the second part of our Green It, Mean It series this spring on Fox 55. More and more people are stopping by downtown grocery in Wausau these days to pick up produce. Tomatoes, bananas, peppers, apples, and lettuce line the walls, and they're all organic and locally grown.
Going organic means no pesticides, no fungicides, no petroleum fertilizers being put on your fields. Essentially growing food the way it was grown back in the 40s and 50s.
Blaine Tornow, co-owner of Downtown Grocery and owner of Moonshadow Farm, has been growing produce this way for more than 12 years. He says not only is organic food rich in nutrients and taste, it's also good for the environment.
It's going to save our water aquifers. We're not going to have the runoff of all the pesticides running into well water, into streams, into everything else. I mean, it's just going to make the environment a lot safer.
In addition to being 100% organic, these fruits and vegetables are locally grown, which also helps the environment.
You walk into a grocery store, an average piece of fruit or vegetable is going to have about 1,500 miles under its belt to get from it was grown to where it's being purchased.
On the other hand, locally grown food doesn't travel far before it reaches your table. Since transporting this kind of produce to the store requires less miles, that means it takes less gas and creates less pollution.
There is more work that goes along with growing fruit and vegetables organically, but that disparity between organic and conventional is closing and is getting to be less and less.
That's because as more people choose to buy organic and locally grown food, prices continue to come down. And as organic food becomes more mainstream, it's reducing the amount of chemicals that enter our water streams, soil, and air. Tornow says that's food for thought.
Once people realize, what goes into their food, that's when everything comes together.
Now, if you're interested in more information about organic and locally grown food, Moonshadow Farms runs a community-supported agriculture, or CSA, program. You can purchase a share of produce that includes fresh fruits and vegetables and then pick it up every week at one of 9 central Wisconsin locations. The CSA program begins in mid-June and lasts for 16 weeks. For more information, you can visit our website at www.myfoxwausau.com.